This is a Sarah experience.
Fuck, I can't light a candle. I'm horrible. Okay. It's not funny.
It is.
No.
Yes. Tip the candle. Tip the candle.
Like that, like that.
Tip it more.
Okay.
Now put it in.
No, I'm gonna burn my.
Oh, you're so retarded.
I'm gonna burn my thumb.
You have to tip the candle and the lighter.
Is this going on Facebook?
Yes.
This is going on Facebook. Hi, Facebook.
Okay, light the fucking lighter. Light the lighter. Light the lighter.
Okay, light the lighter.
You're bad at this. Okay, now pick up the candle. Now tip it horizontally.
Like that?
Or vertically, yeah. Now tip the lighter into the candle.
Okay.
You think you're gonna burn yourself, but you're not. Just do it.
I burned myself.
Here, happy birthday. Hold this. I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Sarah.
What the fuck? I can't. I'm sorry. I can't do shit. Like,
Obviously.
can I blow it out?
No.
Why?
It's so dirty. Wait, come back.
I hate you. I want to blow it out. 7 things I hate about you. Run, baby, run. Na 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 na. You're a loser.
My couch smells.
Your couch is sick.
You're sick.